The names go on, more than 20,000 of them. Shot here during Stalin's Great Terror in 1937 and 38, sometimes hundreds in a day. And this, the Butovo firing range, is just one of numerous sites across Russia where the victims of Stalin's repressions were executed and thrown into mass graves, often without their relatives knowing what had happened to them. Now the Russian state, which tends to sweep under the carpet the nature and scale of Stalin's crimes, is looking to snuff out the one organisation which has sought to document and catalogue Stalinist repressions and to give its victims names, ironically under foreign agent legislation, essentially calling them enemies of the state, which is exactly what the tens of thousands of people here were executed for. Memorial's huge archive of 4 million names tells their stories in scraps and mementos, and it has always been a battle to remember those the state would prefer to forget.
И для них очень важно подчеркнуть, что мы всегда были правы, что власть в России всегда была правильной, что мы шли от победы к победе. И черные страницы, ну, это какие-то редкие исключения, такие ошибки.
And how does it make you feel when you look at this?
So this carpet is
Pietra Andreev's great-aunt sewed this for her daughter when she was in a forced labour camp or gulag in the 1930s. It's part of a collection of objects from the gulag on display at Memorial's Moscow headquarters.
Why do you think the authorities are going after Memorial? Why do you think it's a threat to them?
Because now KGB is ruling again, is ruling the country, actually.
Russia's Prosecutor General has two entities in its sights, the historical organisation Memorial International and its human rights arm. Today's ruling shuts down Memorial International, but it does not bode well for the human rights organisation either.
Это абсолютно политическое решение. Устранение оппонентов, устранение оппозиции, устранение тех, кто хочет поднять авторитет России, объясняя ее историю.
2021 started with the return to Russia and immediate imprisonment of opposition leader Alexei Navalny after he was poisoned with Novichok. It ends with the shuttering of the country's most important human rights organisation. Campaigners promised to fight on, but this year, more than any in his 21-year rule, has shown how Vladimir Putin is reverting to type with a Soviet-style crushing of dissent. Diana Magne, Sky News, Moscow.